This is a summary of the ChatGPT Millionaire. Making money online has never been this easy. In a world where knowledge flows at lightning speed, tapping into artificial intelligence can unlock unparalleled success. Imagine having a personal assistant who not only grasps your needs, but also crafts solutions with uncanny precision. Enter ChatGPT, a game-changing platform that's shaken up the tech world, drawing in over 180 million users in record time. But here's the real kicker. It's more than just a tool for everyday chats or finding information. For savvy users, it's a potential goldmine for building wealth. In this audiobook, we'll delve into the essentials of ChatGPT and show you how to harness its power effectively. Discover how to streamline your workflows and even create passive income streams using AI technology. If you're ready to uncover the transformative impact of ChatGPT in your professional life, let's dive right in. Getting started with ChatGPT. Wondering what all the buzz is about ChatGPT? Well, as of March 2023, it became the fastest-growing tech platform ever, reaching 1 million users within a week of launch. By January 2024, over 180 million people were hooked on ChatGPT every month. Clearly, it's more than just popular, it's a game-changer. But what exactly can you achieve with it? Turns out, the possibilities are vast, especially when it comes to boosting your bottom line. ChatGPT excels as a writing assistant. Whether you need outreach emails, social media content, blog posts, or YouTube scripts, it can draft them for you, saving hours and contractor fees. Need help with product pricing? ChatGPT's data crunching abilities can swiftly analyze consumer behavior, demographics, and market prices to help you set competitive yet profitable prices. It's not just a search engine, it's a smart one. Researching new technologies? ChatGPT doesn't just list options. It evaluates them based on your criteria, like user interface or functionality, saving you from information overload. And that's not all. ChatGPT can aid in learning languages, studying, and even coding. Now that you know what ChatGPT can do, let's dive into how you can harness its power in the next section. Mastering ChatGPT. Unleash your creativity. So, you've signed up for ChatGPT and started exploring its capabilities. Crafting effective prompts for this technology is like mastering an art form. When interacting with ChatGPT, clarity is key. Your prompts should be clear and precise to get the best responses. Don't worry if your initial attempts don't hit the mark. Practice makes perfect. Unlike traditional search engines, ChatGPT thrives on detailed, well-formed sentences that specify exactly what you're seeking. For instance, try asking, "I'm planning a week-long trip to Washington, D.C. What are some must-see attractions?" ChatGPT will likely provide a list with brief descriptions. If you prefer quieter spots, refine your request with, suggest lesser-known but interesting places. You can even specify preferences like avoiding expensive restaurants, and ChatGPT will adjust its recommendations accordingly. As you experiment, you'll discover that phrasing your queries impacts the results, and you can build on previous prompts without starting from scratch. Another powerful technique is instructing ChatGPT to adopt specific tones or emulate personalities, such as writing in the style of Steve Jobs. You can also prompt it to function as various roles: a blog writer, a productivity coach, a language tutor, and more. Each role leverages ChatGPT's versatility to cater to diverse needs effectively. Consider regenerating responses if the initial output doesn't quite fit your needs. You can request multiple responses from a single prompt, especially useful for generating blog titles, email subjects, or travel recommendations. However, remember that while ChatGPT excels at drafting content, human editing remains crucial. Review the generated content for accuracy and tone. You can ask ChatGPT to revise or refine the text, but always perform a final check to catch any overlooked errors. Harnessing ChatGPT's capabilities is about mastering the art of effective communication and creativity. Ready to explore its full potential? Let's dive in and unlock your creative edge. Boost your productivity with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be especially helpful for entrepreneurs and small business owners. It can take the place of expensive contractors, allowing you to work faster, cheaper, and do more on your own. For example, as we already mentioned, ChatGPT can help you write outreach emails. Have you ever tried to find an email template that perfectly applies to your unique situation and industry, and then on top of that spent hours crafting the optimal email? Even if you're satisfied with the results at the end, you've spent a lot of time getting there. Instead, you can ask ChatGPT to draft a concise email that contains all the important information and is written in the specific tone you're going for. Then, all you need to do is review it for accuracy, and you're done. You can use ChatGPT to the level you're comfortable with, meaning you can use it to save as much time as you need to depending on the task you're doing. For example, when writing a blog post, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for the post by prompting it with something like, "Give me 10 blog post ideas for running as a form of meditation." From there, you could write a post yourself, or you could ask ChatGPT to generate an outline based on the idea you'd like to use, and then write the post yourself based on the outline. Or, you could finish the task by asking ChatGPT to, specifically, write a blog post with SEO already applied, based on the idea you've selected and the outline it generated. If necessary, you can ask the platform to revise its own work for readability and clarity, or even for humor. And as always, be sure to review the end product yourself before using it. It's important to note that if you want ChatGPT to generate a full piece of writing like a blog post, it's extremely helpful to have it do so using an outline. The outline can be one generated by ChatGPT itself, or one you've created. Using an outline helps the platform generate a more coherently structured piece of writing, which means less tweaking or editing for you to do. As you continue to use ChatGPT, you'll get better and better at typing effective prompts. You might also find a system that works well, such as following the 3-step blog post method we just explored. You might also find that asking the platform to edit itself becomes easier, such as first asking ChatGPT to make an output funnier and more relatable, then asking it to add in SEO formatting and headings, rather than the other way around. One last technique that can help ChatGPT edit itself is asking it to generate a shorter or longer response. If we were still working on a blog post about running, you might have the platform edit itself by typing something like, "Please rewrite it to be shorter with less detail on shoe types." Another way to use ChatGPT to increase productivity is by having it generate multiple types of content based on the same prompt. This is especially useful for social media. For example, you could ask the platform to create a marketing strategy for your business. From just one detailed prompt, you can get ChatGPT to generate things like key messages, cost estimates, recommended social media platforms to use, timelines, and activities to do. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate specific social media posts about products and have it tailor the posts to various platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Remember, you can ask ChatGPT to act as a marketing director or agency as it does this work. Using ChatGPT to do this kind of work can help with consistency in tone and branding across all social media platforms with a minimal level of effort on your part, which ultimately increases your productivity. A few other ways you can use ChatGPT to increase your productivity include asking it to make you a detailed nutrition plan based on your desires and current physical details, a training plan based on your fitness goals and existing abilities, or even a learning plan if you like to learn something yourself or teach it to someone else. Passive income streams. The passive income streams you'll want to pursue with ChatGPT are ones that aren't so easily accessible that way. Millions of people won't also be attempting them. Basically, if something is too simple to do, too many people will replicate it and will end up flooding the market. For example, things that can be generated with a single prompt, like low-content books like coloring books that people can upload to Amazon, have already become ubiquitous. However, things like ebooks, blog posts, software applications, and YouTube videos take a little more time to set up, even with ChatGPT, and thus can be a more lucrative income stream. So, how to go about setting up these income streams. Let's focus on YouTube videos for now. One unique aspect of YouTube videos is that they can often avoid having a shelf life. This means that as you attract new viewers, they'll be interested in going back to your older videos and watching, which can continue generating ad revenue for you. Other social media posts often don't get that continuing interaction, meaning those posts can have a shelf life of even as short as a few hours sometimes. So, you've decided to start a YouTube channel. Maybe you already have a direction in mind, but if you don't, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for what videos to create. You can ask the platform to give you ideas for keywords for a YouTube video that has both a low competition level, meaning few videos already exist with those keywords, and also a high search volume, meaning people often type those keywords in when searching. After ChatGPT generates ideas and you choose one, ask the platform to generate a video script based on that idea. You can ask for the script to be humorous and engaging, or somber and engaging, or whatever tone you're going for. Be sure to specify how long you want the video to be as well. The end product probably won't be perfect, but it'll be a great starting point, especially if you were facing writer's block in the first place. While you can use AI to generate both a video and a voiceover based on the script you had ChatGPT generate, keep in mind that YouTube videos with AI voiceovers aren't often monetized. So if you're looking to make money on YouTube, it'll be best to do the voiceover yourself. There are many great techniques for utilizing ChatGPT. A few specific ways it can help you earn money include streamlining your business processes, or even helping you set up passive income streams like writing scripts for a YouTube channel. Just as with any other non-AI-based income stream, it'll probably be necessary to create several income streams as you work toward becoming a millionaire. But with ChatGPT, you'll increase your efficiency and hopefully see that $1 million mark a lot sooner. Thank you for listening. The end.